How much should you actually spend on kitchen gadgets? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Simply Gourmet Measuring Cups. Let me introduce you to the Simply Gourmet Measuring Cup set. Priced at $29.99, these cups caught my eye with their sleek stainless steel design. If you want to stop guessing and start measuring like a pro, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. With a total of 7 cups, you get everything from 1/8 cup to a full cup, so no recipe will be a mystery anymore. The flat design means no more spills, and the stainless steel makes them rust-resistant and dishwasher safe. Plus, with 4.8 stars from over 12,100 reviews, people are clearly loving them. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're baking a cake or cooking dinner, having precise measurements can make or break your dish. Now, some people complained about the weight of these cups being a bit heavier than plastic ones. Here's the thing though, if you're after durability and accuracy, that extra weight means they won't bend or break easily. So it's really a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you love to bake or cook often and want reliable tools. Skip this one if you prefer lightweight, disposable items. For just under $30, you're getting a set that should last you years. Now, if that emphasis on durability bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Air Fryer Cheat Sheet Magnets. Next up, we have the Air Fryer Cheat Sheet Magnets from Momo and Nashi, priced at just $8.87. This little booklet caught my eye because it's such a practical tool for anyone jumping into air frying. If you want to make air frying stress-free, this is definitely worth checking out. Here's why this product solves your problem. It features over 120 foods laid out in a very user-friendly manner, helping you figure out cooking times and temperatures quickly. No more guessing. Plus, it's waterproof and tear-proof, making it durable enough to hang on your fridge without worry. With a rating of 4.6 stars across 22,900 reviews, people seem to find it indispensable. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, this guide can save you time and help you master your air fryer. Some users mentioned it could be a bit small for their liking. But honestly, I think that's just part of its charm. It's compact and fits right in with your kitchen setup without taking up too much space. This is perfect for you if you're new to air frying or just want to improve your cooking efficiency. Skip it if you're not an air fryer fan. For under $9, it's a no-brainer for air fryer enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing your kitchen space. Product number 3, Easy Hoozy Kitchen Gadget Set. Now let's talk about the Easy Hoozy Kitchen Gadget Set, priced at just $9.48. This set of 5 tools caught my attention because it's all about space saving while still being functional. If you want to declutter your kitchen without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. This set includes a grater, peeler, pizza cutter, bottle opener, and a garlic grinder, all designed to nest inside each other. That means you can keep your kitchen tidy while having all the essentials at hand. The blades are made from high-quality stainless steel, which means they'll cut through anything you throw at them. With a rating of 4.7 stars from 5,000 reviews, it's clear this set is well-loved. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're cooking for one or a family, having the right tools that don't take up space can make a huge difference. Now, some people felt the handles didn't provide enough grip. Here's the deal. If you're someone who prefers a heavier-duty tool, this might not be for you, but for everyday cooking, it's a fantastic deal. This is perfect for you if you have a small kitchen or like to keep things tidy. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty kitchen tools. At under $10, it's a steal for a complete set. Now, if the compact design of that set didn't catch your fancy, wait until you see what's next. Product number 4, Haferreif Olive Oil Dispenser. Next, we have the Haferreif Olive Oil Dispenser, retailing at $9.99. What stood out to me was its dual function, pouring and spraying oil. If you want more versatility in your kitchen, this is worth taking a look at. This dispenser lets you switch between a pouring function and a spray function, which means you can control how much oil you're using. It even has two spray modes, a mist or a cylindrical spray depending on what you're cooking. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 740 reviews, people appreciate the functionality. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're making a light salad or searing a steak, having control over your oil can lead to healthier cooking. However, some users mentioned it can be tricky to clean. But honestly, if you use the right cleaning method as suggested, it's pretty manageable. So it's a minor inconvenience for a tool that adds so much to your cooking routine. This is perfect for you if you love using olive oil in your meals and want something easy to use. Skip it if you're looking for a traditional oil bottle. For $10, it's a worthwhile addition to any kitchen. Now, if you're a taco lover, you'll want to stick around for the last product. Product number 5, Taco Toaster. Finally, let's look at the taco toaster, priced at just $7.99. I couldn't resist this quirky gadget. If you want to transform your taco game, this is definitely worth considering. The taco toaster allows you to make crispy taco shells right in your toaster. You just need to heat the tortillas and pop them in. This unique design means you can enjoy healthy, crispy tacos without the hassle of frying. With a rating of 3.6 stars from 1,600 reviews, it's clear this gadget has mixed opinions. Here's why this matters for you. If you love tacos but want a healthier option, this could be a fun addition to your kitchen. Some users found it tricky to use and mentioned it can get too hot. But honestly, if you're careful and follow the instructions, it can be a fun and easy way to enjoy tacos without the extra calories. This is perfect for you if you love tacos and want a quick way to make them healthier. Skip this if you're not big on tacos. For under $8, it's a fun tool that could spice up your meals. So there you have it, a diverse mix of kitchen gadgets that can really take your cooking experience to the next level. To wrap things up, we explored some fantastic kitchen gadgets today. The Simply Gourmet measuring cups for precision, the air fryer cheat sheet magnets for convenience, the Easy Hoozy kitchen gadget set for space saving, the Hoforife olive oil dispenser for versatility, and the taco toaster for fun taco nights. Each of these offers unique benefits, so think about what you need most in your kitchen.